If you're here, you probably already know that life has no inherent meaning. The universe is indifferent to your existence, and eventually everyone you know will be dead. And yet, somehow, you still need money. That's the absurdity we're working with. Today we're talking about compound interest, a mathematical phenomenon that doesn't care whether existence is meaningful or not. You invest $1 at 7% annual return. After 10 years, $2. After 20 years, $4. After 40 years, $15. In the grand cosmic scale, $15 means nothing. But in the small human scale where you exist, it's better than $1. And since you're stuck existing anyway, you might as well work with what's available. Consider two people. Both have accepted that life is fundamentally meaningless. Both understand that consumption is a temporary distraction from the void. Person A thinks, if nothing matters, I might as well enjoy small pleasures now. Spends $5 on coffee every week. Person B thinks, if nothing matters, I might as well let math do something predictable. Invests $5 every week. 30 years pass. Both people are still confronting the absurdity of existence. Person A has experienced thousands of moments of brief caffeinated pleasure, now forgotten. Person B has $40,000. Neither person has found meaning, but one person has options that the other doesn't. And in a meaningless universe, options are worth something. Here's the strange thing about compound interest. The less you care about it in the short term, the more it works. Start at 25, invest $200 a month, $528,000 by 65. Start at 35, $244,000. Start at 45, $116,000. The same effort, just displaced in time, creates wildly different outcomes. It's almost like the universe is rewarding you for starting early. Except the universe doesn't reward anything. It's just math being indifferent in your favor. You might be thinking, but what if I invest and the market crashes? What if I lose everything? The market will crash. Multiple times, probably. Everything you invest could temporarily lose 30, 40, even 50% of its value. But here's the nihilist's advantage. If you already believe nothing matters, market volatility is just noise. The market has crashed many times. It has also recovered every single time over long periods. Not because the universe cares about your portfolio, but because humans keep existing and doing human things. Which means if you're going to exist for another 30 or 40 years anyway, you might as well let that existence work in your financial favor. So here's what you do. Open a brokerage account, 10 minutes of your meaningless life. Set up automatic monthly transfers, another 5 minutes. Buy a low-cost index fund that tracks the entire market, 3 minutes. Then, and this is where nihilism actually helps, forget about it. Most people fail at investing because they care too much. They check their accounts daily, they panic when it drops, they sell at the worst times. But if you've already accepted that nothing matters, you can just let it sit there. Market crashes? Doesn't matter, you weren't selling anyway. Market booms? Doesn't matter, you're still contributing the same amount. Existential detachment becomes your investing superpower. Investing won't give your life meaning. Nothing will, if we're being honest. But you're going to keep existing. You're going to get older, you might get sick, you'll definitely need shelter and food. Money doesn't solve the fundamental problem of existence, but it does solve the practical problems of existence. And in the universe that offers no guarantees, no ultimate purpose, and no cosmic justice, having options is better than not having options. Compound interest is one of the few things in life that actually does what it promises. You give it time and consistency, it gives you money. It won't make you happy, but future you, still searching for meaning 40 years from now, will at least be searching comfortably. See you next time. Or don't. Either way, the universe continues.